Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you we use messenger bots to bring in new customers into the restaurant. Okay, so for the purposes of this demonstration, we're obviously running it from our page, and this is an example of an ad. It doesn't necessarily has to be free food, it just has to be a good offer for the customer to opt in. And I'm going to show you how in this strategy we're trying to make money on the back end and not on the front end. Okay, so this would be an example of the ad. We're giving away free sushi rolls in this case, and we use ManyChat for automating the conversations with the customer. So as soon as someone clicks on the ad, they're gonna get a message like this one right here. So basically just click here to get your coupon or your voucher. The customer will say yes please. We tell them here's your voucher, just take a screenshot, we show it at arrival, and we also add a little button over here so we can give them directions to your restaurant, and we tell them that this coupon is only valid for the next 72 hours because we want them to hurry. And we give them a couple of pictures of some of the rolls that we offer in this case, just to give them kind of like a feel for the place and what we can offer to them once they get there. And after giving them their voucher, we also tell them that we're also giving away a dinner for two. Would you like to enter the contest? So basically the first offer, it's basically just we're just trying for them to engage with our bot. Okay, after they engage with our bot once, they're automatically added to our list, and we're going to be able to broadcast offers to them forever without having to invest more money on advertising. Okay, when they are added to the list? As soon as they click yes please, they're automatically added to our list. That's basically all that we need. Okay, so here we're offering them the possibility of winning a dinner for two. Okay, so let's say they say absolutely, that's what I thought, and here's a little secret. We're trying to invite them for them to tag their friends in the post, and that's basically going to increase their chances of winning. So click the button below to start. Good luck. You're going to click here, and right over here, this is basically a post that you want to do from your page. This is a organic post, and this is basically, again, for the purposes of this demonstration, we're running it from our page, and we are basically, let me just go over the ad copy real quick. We're giving away a dinner for free for you and your friend. First thing you need to do is tag your friend or the person that you want to enjoy that dinner with in the comments of this post. That's step number one. Step number two, they need to follow your Facebook and your Instagram page. Okay, we're gonna announce the winner on this date on our Facebook and our Instagram page. Okay, so this strategy, it's also gonna allow you to grow your follower base, and this is gonna have kind of like a snowball effect, because every single person that they tag on the bot, on the comments, it's gonna automatically engage with our bot. That means they're gonna be added to our sequence. In this case, they're gonna be added to your list. Okay, and here's just a quick explanation. The people who enter the contest will tag their friends. Once they see the tag, they will go to the messenger bot too, and this will cause a viral effect that grows and attracts more clients. Okay, so this is gonna build kind of like a snowball effect. As soon as people start tagging their friends, their partners, their spouse, and it also increases their chances of winning. While this is going on, you're getting new followers both on Instagram and Facebook, and you're getting people to opt in and come into the restaurant. Okay, the last part over here, I just want to show you a quick example of how you monetize your list. So let's say you have 1,000 subscribers into your ManyChat list. Okay, this is basically your ManyChat right here. You're gonna have an audience, and you see right here, you're gonna be able to broadcast to your audience. Okay, so let's say you have 1,000 subscribers. This is pretty easy to attain in a matter of a month and a half. You can easily have 1,000 subscribers on your ManyChat if you're running a strategy similar to this one. Let's say every time you run an offer, you do a broadcast, 95% of the people on your list open the message. We usually get 99% for our clients right now, but let's say 95 just to be a little bit more conservative. That's you're reaching 950 people. Let's say that only 30% of those people actually click on the offer. That's 285. And let's say we only converted 30% of those potential customers. That will give us 86 new customers with only one broadcast. Okay, that's the key here. So let's say we have 86 customers. Let's say each one comes with 2 to 3 friends or family members. That will be a total of 257 customers. Let's say the average ticket is $20, just for as an example. That will be a little bit over $5,000 of revenue with only one broadcast. When I talk about these broadcasts, these are done inside of your ManyChat tool, so you don't need to spend money on ads. And your subscribers are constantly gonna be growing. Okay, this would be the second example. Let's say you have a list of 15,000 subscribers, 95% open rate. You do one broadcast, and you can easily have over 14,000 people open your broadcast. Let's say 4,000 of those potential customers actually click, and let's say that we convert only 30% of those. Those are that will be a total of 1,283 customers. 83 customers, just with one single broadcast. No money on advertising. Okay. Let's say each one of those customers brings 3 friends or family members. That will be a total of 3,848 customers. And let's say that the ticket price is $20 average. That will be a total revenue of $76,000 with only one broadcast. Obviously, the majority of restaurants, they cannot handle 3,000 customers at once. So obviously, once you have a big enough list, you're gonna have to segment your subscribers accordingly to how many people you can manage once they start showing up. Okay, so that's pretty much how this strategy works. Everything is run using ManyChat, and I'll see you in the next video.